Box opening time. Yep. Whoa. Can you get it out?
I'll try. Okay.
Go, it's on screen.
Okay.
Oh, you got it? Okay, good. A Rubik's Cube.
And there's something else too.
What? A manual. It's got to be that.
Oh no, it's something else.
Oh, it's that. It's a stand for your Rubik's Cube. Look at it.
Oh, look at the case for this.
It's a big waste of plastic. A big old waste. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. Oops. Okay. This was the package. And this is the Rubik's. And there's some plastic. So, yay. How do you feel about having a Rubik's Cube?
I feel good. I'm gonna try mixing it up. If I can, right?
Just to say the Rubik's Cube is off screen.
Okay. All mixed up. Okay, let's solve it. This may take a while, because, okay. Okay, let's just end this video here. It's taking forever. I'm not very good at Rubik's Cubes. Hope you enjoyed the video, though. Bye.